Hello my friends, it's Miss Tanya and we are going to be making a video for another project in your June packet, okay? So make sure you have your June packet. It says right there June packet, and inside you will find this ice cream banana split with a green paper attached, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to be making a banana split because your little saying is going to be school's out and your name. So your name there is got to split, which means I got to get out of here because there's no more school. Okay, so I hope you have fun and enjoy. So for this project, you're going to need the paper, the two pieces of paper together. You're going to need your scissors, which are not in your box. You're going to need your crayons, which are, and you're going to need your glue stick, which is in your box, okay? So first of all, we're going to be carefully removing the staple from the two papers, okay? So ask for help if you need it so you don't tear it too much, okay? And then you can separate your two papers. The green one I'm going to put down for now because I will need it in a little bit. But the other white paper is what I'm going to be working on. So this is going to act as my desk, okay? My little pink folder. So what you're going to do, my friends, is you're going to be drawing, you're going to be coloring these 3 scoops of ice cream, okay? Now, you can make them whatever flavor ice cream you want, okay? You can make a mint and chip, you can do cotton candy, you can do chocolate chip, you can do vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, whatever you want. But for mine, I'm going to be doing, my ice cream is going to be simple. I'm going to do a chocolate ice cream, a strawberry ice cream, and a vanilla ice cream. Okay, so what I do is for my ice creams, I'm going to do, I'm going to use pink, brown, and very lightly yellow to make it my vanilla. Okay, so first I'm going to do my chocolate scoop, and I'm going to color it in. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then you may not have a pink crayon in your box, but whatever color you have should be good, okay? So I'm going to do my pink for my strawberry ice cream. Okay, and then for the vanilla, you can leave it white or you can give it a light color, okay? Because sometimes vanilla is kind of yellowy, okay? So that's my 3 scoops of ice cream. Now, this little smile looking thing is a banana. So, what color are bananas? They're yellow. So, I'm going to color my banana yellow, okay? And I'm coloring a little, I'm pushing down on my crayon a little just to make it like the harder you press on it, the darker it gets, okay? So, that's why my banana is kind of dark yellow because I'm pushing down on my crayon, okay? So, you can see I very lightly touched it here, so it's very lightly yellow. And then this one's a lot darker because I used it dark. And then on the bottom, you guys can make that color plate. It's a bowl, sorry. Make that bowl whatever color you want, okay? So I'm going to do some red spots. My bowl's going to be blue. So first I'm going to just color some red spots all over, okay? Or if you just want to color it one color, you can absolutely do that as well, okay? So if you like the way it looks, awesome. Do you have to do spots on yours? No. Can you do stripes? Yes. Can you do whatever, just one color? Absolutely. So you choose whatever you want to do. But just remember, if you do any of these extra little designs, you got to be very careful that you don't color over it because otherwise it kind of makes it a different color. Okay, so I'm kind of going a little fast here. But you will be able to see that I am doing my best not to color my red spots, okay? So, again, color them whatever you want them to be. One color is perfectly fine, okay? Practice your coloring, you know, because you will be doing a lot of coloring when you come back to school, okay? So, these are my pieces for my bowl. And then don't forget this top part up here. It's the top of the bowl. Okay. Alrighty, so it looks pretty good. I like the way it looks, my friends. Next step I want you to do is, you'll see there's dotted lines around all of these things. You can see them up close. You are going to be cutting along those lines, okay? So make sure you have a pair of scissors, and I want you to cut out all of your pieces, okay? So, but what if it's not perfect? What if you went over the line too far and you missed? That's totally fine. Because I'm going a little fast, so I don't make this video too terribly long. And guess what? I might miss this little piece too. I may not cut it perfect. But that's okay, because the most important thing is that you're trying. Okay, so my bowl's cut out. Now I'm going to cut Mr. Banana. If you guys have never had a banana split, wow, they are amazing. The only thing that I would add is whipped cream, because whipped cream is amazing. Spray can, you know, and then cherry on top, because that would just make it look super, super delicious, okay? And we are actually going to try to draw a cherry on top of our banana split when we're ready, okay? So now I'm cutting out my ice cream scoop. So if you want, you can fast forward this part because you don't have to watch me cutting out. But just make sure you have all your pieces, okay? All right, last scoop. I'll be ready to move on. All right, so got all my pieces, and then I got my trash. I have a little bag over here for my trash, so I'm ready to go. Okay, now the next step I'm going to do is I have to have my green paper out and ready to go. Okay, so this is going to be the background to our project, so make sure you have it ready to go. And the first thing that I need to do, my friends, is I need to put my bowl. So towards the bottom, you know, you guys can guess wherever you like it, but somewhere towards the bottom, because we're going to be putting a banana, our ice cream, and then we're going to draw a cherry. Alrighty? So let's see if we can get that going. So you pick a spot, let's glue it with our glue stick. Okay? Remember, just a little bit is perfectly fine. Okay? There's not much glue on my glue stick. And then I'm just going to push lightly on my little piece here, okay? I don't need that much glue. It'll stick just fine with very little, okay? So I find a place, put it in the middle, and there you go. Kind of in the middle, maybe it's a little crooked, that's okay. The next part I'm going to do is I'm going to get my banana, and I'm going to glue it, but I'm going to put my banana kind of right there on top of my bowl, okay? So go ahead and do that. Okay, there's my banana. And then now I have my 3 scoops of ice cream. You can put your ice cream whatever order you want, okay? There's no order. I want you to be creative. I want you to make it your bestest, awesomest banana split, okay? So I'm going to put my scoop 1 on there. And then I'm going to put my scoop number 2 in the middle. Okay, and then I got my scoop number 3 on the side, okay? So hopefully you're doing a fantastic job with that. And it's okay, my friends, if your ice cream scoops are a little bit touching or covering, totally fine, okay? So don't forget to cover your glue. All right, now for my little cherry on top, I'm going to need the color brown and the color red. So there's my red, there's my brown, okay? So what you do to draw a cherry, just make a circle and then just kind of looks like a heart, but kind of different than a heart, if that makes sense. Okay, there's a heart, but it's kind of a flat, round heart, okay? So what you'll do is you'll just shade it in, color it in. So I made my outside darker, so I pressed on my crayon kind of hard, okay? And then the outline was dark, and then the inside was lighter, okay? So you can see that there. And then for my stem, I'm just going to go in the middle where the line is, and then I'm just going to draw a line, okay? That's all I'm going to do, just a round line. And then I have one more step to go, and I'm almost done. So with a pencil, with a marker, with a crayon, it looks good in black, my friends. So if you have a black crayon, you can draw your name with that, or you can use a marker or a pencil, whatever you want. But in this space right here, you're going to write your name as best as you can. So I'm going to write my name. I wrote it kind of big, but you want to make sure that you write kind of big because it fits, okay? So what your phrase says is, school's out and Miss Tanya's got a split. Hopefully you put your name there. And again, split just means you got to go. Because when you're at school, you don't have to be there, right? And you're all done. You get to have some fun for summer. So again, school's out and you got a split. So unfortunately, I got a split because this is the end of the video. But I will see you next time for the next video. Until then, see you later.